Peace, power, and prosperity. I share. Peace, power, and prosperity. You heard me? We understand the power of the 3, 6, and the 9. So let's say that again. Peace, power, and prosperity. Let's break down this 14th Amendment. Now, on the 14th Amendment, you got to know the terminology, the terminology, everything they do over here and how they do it. But if you know the etymology of the word, if you know how to break the word down, you can easily, strategically, you can easily, strategically, I messed it up. You can easily, strategically break these people, bust these people bubble, man. So the 14th Amendment, it say all persons born and neutralized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction therefore are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. Let's break that down. All persons born are neutralized. So we all know what the word neutralize mean. What do neutralize mean? All right, let's see. Neutralize, adjective of a foreigner admitted to citizenship of a country. Whoa. It neutralized you as citizen born in Germany. Of a planet, biology. Of a plant or animal having become established or living in a wild or in a region where it is not indigenous. So I am indigenous to America. I am indigenous to this land. So this law don't condone to me. So I got to practice my sovereign rights. I got to stand up for my individual governments, governing myself. I don't need no government. You heard me? I could govern my own mental government. Y'all remember what these alphabet people, is organization is built off? Governing your intelligence. All of them got intelligent inside the organization. So I'm just not with all this Nazism. Like I'm not with none of that. I'm sorry if you feel played about it, but look, this is my channel, my word. I'm living in this world. So I shouldn't have to do a disclaimer of none of that when you try to impose your laws upon me. You're pulling people over, you're shooting them up, you're doing all this. But when I speak my mind, you telling me I gotta pray, I gotta do all this. What it is? You can't even freedom of speech. They take it from you. Yeah, they take it from you because they gave it to you. You gotta remember, man. You do what you want. You are a sovereign being, man. You got a master self. You don't gotta let nobody have jurisdiction over you. So let's get to that. All right. So boom. All persons born are neutralized in the United States. All right. So we know we ain't no damn. We already know that we ain't. I should have looked up persons too. I don't know why I didn't do that, but y'all can do that later. But boom, we know we ain't neutralized. We know that. We ain't neutralized in the United States. All right. And subject to jurisdiction therefore. So let's look up jurisdiction. We should know what that means. The official power to make legal decisions and judgments. So federal courts have no jurisdiction over the case. All right. Just like the police have no jurisdiction over me. The state have no jurisdiction over you. These people have no jurisdiction over your person, over your individual spirit, body, breath, soul. They have no jurisdiction over your vessel. You heard me? They have no jurisdiction over your vessel. This is your individual vessel. This is your birthrights that you giving these people that you signed a no oath to. The intent of the power to make legal decisions and judgments. You never gave nobody no legal decision to make judgments over you. I don't care what they say. Your mama was a witness on your birth certificate and all that. I don't give a damn about no witness or none of that. Nobody in England. I don't care about no Pope Francis. None of these fake allegories, stories they done made up. None of these fake kings, emperors they got in place, prince. None of that, partner. We ain't worrying about. Y'all not coming with none of that hoodwink foolery. None of that no more. We killing all that shit in the bud. None of that shit contained to us. You heard me? You don't have no confinement over me. You have no jurisdiction over me. We're going to break these words down, man. Let's get these people that step them in the butt. Since they want to just scare you, they put you in fear. They put you in a state of data mode. Once you in a state of data mode, beta mode, so now you in this sleep hypnosis state. So you're not reading these words. You just, oh, Lord, I'm in trouble. Well, I'm about to go to jail. You see everybody else in jail. You see everybody else in trouble. So you hypnotized by the illusion. Fuck that illusion. That's why when you say certain shit, shit, they tell you shut up. You can't talk. You need somebody to represent you. You don't need no representation. Once you get representation, you are dead. Stop playing with me, man. I'm going bananas. Once you need representation, you are a dead man. You are acknowledging a system. You are acknowledging, come on, man. You are acknowledging these people shenanigans. You heard me? And I don't care about they got people that say, oh, let them agree to that. They want to sign an oath. They want to say their soul. They want to agree to Nimrod's system. Let they build a Tower of Babel and let them do what they do. They have no jurisdiction over you, and you don't got to sign no paperwork. You don't got to do none of that. You just know their technology. You heard me? That's all you got to do, man. That's all you got to do. So what else it says on here? No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States, nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Whoa, run it back. What you just said? No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States, nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws. So, you say, therefore, any person born or neutralized in the United States, any person, so that's persons, and Europeans, people who acknowledging the system, who's giving you governance, you are part of the United States, they're saying. And subject to jurisdiction, therefore, are citizens of the United States. Therefore, wherein they reside. All right. So we have privileges of immunity because we're citizens, they're saying. And they also saying, now should any state deprive any person of liberty, life, property without due. So that means without due. So you can deprive me if you enforce a law upon me. So if I obey and I'll bridge your law, or I'll let you enforce your law, you get full immunity over me. Whoa, I didn't see that. Y'all better not sign no oath to that one. Stop playing. Hold on. What did that just say? Now shall any state deprive any person of liberty, life, property without due process of law. Damn! I can do whatever I want to you if I read you your rights. Hell no. The judge is the jury, the accuser, the prosecutor. And the last word. Oh, hell no. We ain't playing these words. What is the meaning of the word abridge? To shorten by omission while retaining the basic content. To abridge a reference book. To reduce or lessen in duration, scope, authority, etc. Oh my God. What is a citizen? Citizen. A native registered. I don't think that none of y'all are registered. I don't give a damn about your birth certificate. We all been in this land. That means anybody born. Decided to play these games? Native. So what is a native? A native is anybody born on a specific land. A native is anybody born on a specific land. What do neutralization mean? Neutralization is a legal act or person by which non-citizen of a country may equip citizenship or nationality. You are born here, so you need to do none of this. Let's finish. Of that country. It may be done automatically by a salute. It may be done automatically by a salute without any effort on the part of the individual, without any effort on the part of the individual, or it may involve a application or a motion and approval by legal authorities. My fucking soul shivers right now. Pussy. And that's where your birth certificate come in at. You see how they sign their oath? Got the right hand with the left hand hidden? These motherfuckers. Man. That threw me off right there, y'all. That threw me off where I was going at. Woo! A native, registered, or neutralized member of a state, nation, or other political community, compare alien, an inhabitant of a town or city. Citizen, a native or neutralized member. So y'all are not a neutralized member. Y'all are original. You're not a native. You're not none of these $5 Indians. You didn't pledge no allegiance to the government. You're not entitled to their bullshit. You're not an alien. You're not under franchises. So, let these people stop playing with you, man. Peace, power, and prosperity, man. Peace, power, and prosperity. Free all the political prisoners. Free everybody that's really out here just on some positive vibe shit, on some love, on some really organic shit, really going to tap back into nature, man. Really on some organic shit. Forget all these laws. These laws is man-made. These laws is all fake. It's all foolishness. It's all paperwork. It's all pencil written. You heard me, man? We need to get back into self, tap back into self. These people are non-organic. That's why they don't have nothing to do with the planet. They are against the planet. Anything got to do with against the planet, like anything got to do with restoring the planet, putting the balance back on the planet, like tapping back into nature. We tap back into, think about it, we had a whole planet of astrology. We have a whole planet. We just have a whole planet of astrologists and astronomers. Like, it'd be love. Everybody would be rich because everybody know them. They'll know their sign. They'll know what's going on. They'll know about everybody. They'll know them. If we know our sign, if we know our moods, if we know our virtues, you feel me? Think if everybody knew this. It wasn't no diverse. It wasn't no delusions and all this confusion. You feel me? That's how they get us. They separate us with all these delusions and these confusions. You heard me? And we can't even dissect the problem because you got too many beliefs, too many ideologies. You feel me? We got to stop all that, man. So just know, man, at the end of the day, universal laws in effect, man. Peace, love, and prosperity, man. Peace, power, prosperity. Ashe, ashe, ashe.